Hi, Zach. My name is Michaela. I called and spoke to somebody in your front office earlier today who said to send this video to you. So I am just doing small videos kind of going over some different aspects of websites, showing you what Google really looks for when ranking websites and why you may be missing out on some business and hopefully get you guys some more leads, okay? So without further ado, there's three areas I'm going to talk about today. The first being content. Content is huge to Google. If we talk about an example, Wikipedia always shows up as #1 in any search results ever. Why is that? It's because they have so much content. The more content you have, the more Google grabs a hold of that site and pushes it to the top of its Google platform, okay? So just going over your site, and I realize you guys are kind of on a big corporation, so you might not have a lot of control over your website, but these are just the things that aren't ranking currently on your website that I'm going to go over, okay? So yes, you guys do have content. I do see that you have a lot of links and things like that within your website, but content specifically is huge, not links to other pages necessarily. So let's just look at some competition in the area and see how they're comparing to. So this is First Choice. They're also on page 1 of Google, and they honestly don't have much content either. But that is a good thing for you guys because Google ranks, this is the biggest thing that Google ranks organically for. So the more content you have, the more Google picks you up and naturally moves you to one of those top spots. So by looking at your competition and seeing how they're on page 1, yet they don't have any content, this is something we can easily beat the competition in, okay? On every additional page, which I think yours looked pretty good actually, we need anywhere between 750 and 1,000 words. So all of this looks great. Typically stuffed with some good keywords, which I haven't read everything, so you may or may not have that, but overall things are looking good. I would just probably tweak a little bit of the content, okay? This is my site called Ahrefs. It kind of just gives me a breakdown of how you guys are doing on the internet right now. First thing you're going to see is this UR and this DR. This UR is typically for citations, I'm sorry. So for citations, and citations are anywhere that your phone number, your business name, and your address shows up on some type of online directory. Think of your Google My Business, okay? So this shows that you don't have a lot of citations and you don't have a lot of referring domains. So when we look at this, when we look at this, I do see you have 37 referring domains, but that's not getting you much of anything here in regards to your DR. Google likes these two numbers to be as close to a 1-to-1 ratio as possible. So with that said, the number of backlinks do not matter, but the number of referring domains does. So having a look at that, Angie's List, Home Advisor, any referring domain that has a DR over 90 is going to be huge in adding a lot of value and driving this number up, okay? I do see you guys are ranking currently for 37 keywords, which is great. So what we would do there is just probably look at different keywords that you guys could be ranking for. Your competition, again, they have a 0 DR. They're not even worrying about referring domains. So why they're on page 1, honestly, I don't know, but it is not hard to beat them. We need to get you in a strong rating, and once these two numbers get close to 30, Google really likes to kind of secure those positions on that first page. So with that said, I recommend getting some good referring domains, maybe stuffing your text a little bit more with some good keywords, getting you ranked higher. Getting those good referring domains is going to drive this DR up. And then when you go to your Google My Business, get plenty of those citations to secure a top spot here on the GMB. These top 3 are going to get the most business just because they're visible and in people's face. So that's obviously the goal that we're going after. So getting plenty of good quality citations driving you up here, getting good quality referring domains and backlinks, driving both of these numbers up to around 30, and then adding good quality text to your home page and maybe a little bit more keyword stuffing within your text, and you guys are going to secure that top position on Google, no problem. Well, I hope you have a wonderful day. I hope this information was helpful for you. If you have any questions, feel free to give me a call. If you don't mind, shoot me back a quick email letting me know what you thought of this video, and I look forward to hearing from you. Have a great day.